pouring down rain. All right, guys, day 3 of the Fish USA free-for-all held by Chad Hoover. And I am currently in 6th place with 81.25. Yin Yang's got 99 still. Duncan Graham's got 97.75. Brian Falb has 89.75. Brad Exum, 86. Now he just come up. Robbie Dotson, 81.75, and then me. Today's lures, I'm thinking, are going to include the Hearts Buzzbait, the Strike King weighted punch rig, Rage Crawl, a few other things. Probably the Whopper Plopper at the end. We're gonna have some fun, guys. Anybody see anything missing? I can't go kayak fishing without a paddle. Ugh. Give me that 5-pounder I've been looking for this whole tournament. I hear you over there. I'm trying to catch your daddy or your grandpa. You little. God, that's an annoying bike. I'd go deaf. This wind's definitely doing a number on me, that's for sure. Need a power pole for my kayak. Okay, Fish USA, free for all. Now we're talking about length. Oh yeah, you're a good one. You're gonna make the cut. Oh my, serious? I'm in 7th now. How do you do that? Me and Robbie Dotson are tied for 81.75. Shad Schaefer came in with 85.50. Catch quite a bit. Rig. Oh, Jesus. Okay. I got you. You're fine. Don't hit right at the boat. You scare me. Good night. Just throw me in the freaking corner here. Right over top of where I wanted to fish. Breathe, Jacob. It would be nice if the wind would stop so I can fish. So after careful consideration, I'm using the Pad Crasher. I got my Adventures in Bass Fishing with TK Heaven shirt on, and I'm fishing a frog. What else can a man need? I mean, that's just the main ingredients for a huge fish to hit. TK, I bet you're proud of me right now. There we go. There we go. That's a good one. She's a winner. Ah, that frog just peed on me. 15 actually and 3/4. That puts me back in 6th. 82 inches. Barbecue chicken wrap from Walmart. Delicious. Put that through. Now keep in mind, guys, this is the first time I've ever done this. Don't knock me if I do something wrong. I'm not dealing with that. There we go, guys. There we go, that's a good one. "15-inch fish. There we go, guys. Ah, oh, missed it. There's a good one, guys. Wow, that thing, dude, you're Michael Jordan of fish. Even though you're not going to help me, I swear you got about 6 foot out in the water. You can't help me, but you sure did make me laugh. Here's a throwback for all you older folks. That's right. Y'all know it's been back. It's been back for a couple years now, but I'm so glad they brought it back. There we go. That's a keeper. Well, it is a keeper, but it's not gonna help me. I'm thinking this weather is about here to stay. Guys, I hope you've liked and subscribed to this channel. I'm trying, but I'm failing. And now it's pouring down rain. Life of a fisherman. Oh, that sunblock I put on is in my mouth now. All right, so we're going to, it's like the storm just passed. I'm cold. What do I try, guys? That's the size I'm looking for. All right. Well, I don't know, he may help me. He will help me. Yes, okay. 82.25 so far. That still put me in 7th. I got a 86 is what I got to beat, and I'm at 82 something. Keep paddling, guys. It's not worth it to stop. I'm in 7th currently, and I'm going to have some big ones to compete. See you guys later. Thanks for following.